In this lecture, we will continue with the questions on Euler function. First question is, show that 2 raised to the power 4 divide phi 1155. Now, 1155 can be written as 3 into 5 into 7 into 11, product of primes. Phi 1155 is phi 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. We know all these numbers are relatively prime and phi is a multiplicative function, therefore we can write it as phi 3 into phi 5 into phi 7 into phi 11. Also we know that phi n is even if n greater than 2, here n greater than 2, here again n greater than 2, again 7 is greater than 2 and 11 is greater than 2, therefore the value of all these Euler functions will be even. It means 2 divide phi 3, 2 divide phi 5, 2 divide phi 7 and 2 divide phi 11. On combining it, we can write 2 raised to the power 4 divide phi 3 into phi 5 into phi 7 into phi 11. That is 2 raised to the power 4 divide phi 1155, which is required to prove. Next question, show that phi n equals to phi n plus 1 equals to phi n plus 2 for n equals to 5186. Here n is given, we have to show that phi n equal to phi n plus 1, which is further equal to phi n plus 2. Now n is 5186, we can factorize it in this form, 2 into 2593 as a product of primes. Now we know phi n is n into 1 minus 1 by p1, 1 minus 1 by p2 up to so on 1 minus 1 by pr. Using this result, phi 5186 equals to 5186 into 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2593. On simplifying it, we have phi 5186 equal to 2592. Now n plus 1 equals to 5187, which can be written as 3 into 7 into 13 into 19. Phi n plus 1 is phi 5187, and again using the same result we have phi 5187 equals to 5187 into 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 7, 1 minus 1 by 13, 1 minus 1 by 19. On solving it, we have phi n plus 1 equals to 2592. Also n plus 2 is 5186 plus 2, that is 5188. We can write it as 2 raised to the power 2 into 1297 in prime factorization form. Phi n plus 2 is 5188, which is equals to 5188 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 1297. On solving it, it is equal to 2592. Thus, from equation 1, 2 and 3, we have phi n equals to phi n plus 1 equals to phi n plus 2 for n equal to 5186. Next question, prove that phi n equals to phi n plus 2 is satisfied by n equals to 2 into 2p minus 1 whenever p and 2p minus 1 are both odd prime. We have to show that phi n equal to phi n plus 2, where n is 2 into 2p minus 1. Also it is given that p and 2p minus 1 are odd primes. Now p and 2p minus 1 are odd primes. Phi n equals to phi 2 into 2p minus 1, as n equals 2 into 2p minus 1. Now phi is a multiplicative function, and GCD of 2p minus 1 is 1, as 2p minus 1 is odd prime. Therefore phi 2 into 2p minus 1 can be written as phi 2 into phi 2p minus 1. Also we know phi p equals to p minus 1, therefore phi 2 equals to 2 minus 1, and also 2p minus 1 is prime. Therefore again using the same result, value of phi 2p minus 1 equals to 2p minus 1 minus 1. On solving it, it is equals to 2p minus 2, that is 2 into p minus 1. Also phi n plus 2 equals to phi n is 2 into 2p minus 1 plus 2. On solving it, it is equals to 4p minus 2 plus 2, that is phi into 4p. Now phi is multiplicative function, and GCD of 4 and p equals to 1. Therefore this is equals to 4 into 5p, and we know 5 4 is 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2, and 5p is p minus 1. On simplifying it, it is equals to 2 into p minus 1. Thus from 1 and 2 we have phi n equals to phi n plus 2. Next question, prove that phi n equals to n by 2 if and only if n equals to 2k for some integer k greater than equal to 1. Here first we suppose that phi n equal to n by 2, then we will prove that n equal to 2k for some integer k greater than equal to 1, and then we suppose that n equals to 2k and prove that phi n is n by 2. Firstly suppose that phi n equal to n by 2, we will find the value of n. Now we know phi n is an integer. The value of phi n is always a positive integer. It means this n by 2 is an integer. This means n must be an even number. Let n equals to 2k into m, where k greater than equal to 1 and m is odd number. Because n is even number, it means it must contain some power of 2. Let k be the power of 2 belongs to n, and m is any odd number. Now it is given that phi n equals to n by 2. Substituting the value of n here, phi 2k m equals to 2k m by 2, and 2k and m are co-prime. GCD of 2k and m is 1, and phi is multiplicative function. Therefore we can write it as phi 2k into phi m, and it is 2k minus 1 into m. We know value of phi 2k is given by 2k minus 2k minus 1 into phi m, and which is equal to 2k minus 1 into m. On solving it, we have phi m equals to m. Now this holds only when m equals to 1, because phi 1 equals to 1, it was defined earlier when we discussed the definition of Euler function. It is true when m equals to 1. This means n must be equals to 2 raised to the power k into 1, that is n equals to 2k, where k greater than equal to 1, when phi n equals to n by 2. Conversely, let n equals to 2k, phi n is phi 2k, which is equals to 2k minus 2k minus 1, which is 2k minus 1 into 2 minus 1, and this is 2k minus 1, which can be further written as 2k by 2, and we have assumed that n equals to 2k, it is n by 2. Thus phi n equals to n by 2 when n equals to 2k. Hence the result. Next question, find all positive values of n which satisfies phi n equals to 23. Here we have phi n equals to 23. We have to find out value of n. We know phi n is 1 when n equals to 1 and 2, and for n greater than 2, phi n is even integer. Therefore this value of phi n is not possible for any value of n. Thus there does not exist any n satisfying phi n equals to 23. Thus this phi n equals to 23 has no solution.